cleaning this house for the last time. We moved in here April of 2024 and we are moving out. I live in the Philippines for over a year, so technically I was only living in this house for 3 months. Maybe not even. But no matter how short-lived the house is, it seems like it always leaves an empty space and, heavy heart for some reason. This was my office area. It's completely empty. I'm just cleaning while Chris and the other Chris, his friend, drops off the larger stuff. These plants were from California. I've saved them and left them in the laundry room and they've gotten bigger. So I'm gonna see if it will survive there up the hill. This was the old living room. Ninja doesn't care, he's sleeping. And these are the last few things. I still have to empty the refrigerator. Yeah, it's empty. I'm not going to forget to bring my kamayan, para sa manggang hilaw. And I'll miss this stove because it has this grill area and 4 burners. The new house at the estate, wala pa na human. Ikuha na nila ang washing machine. Venus is outside. Let's see what she's doing. She's tanning. This was Ninja's area, laundry room. Unya, anha siya malibang, mangihi. Diri siya sa silong. Then this one is the larger bedroom. Mura siya bay on its own, balay on its own. Dako kaayo siya, unya. Gikapoy, gikog limpyo. It's a bathroom. We didn't use this room. Basically, Chris was using the other room with me because the bed was bigger. Yeah, kani siya. Just make sure everything is completely empty. Completely empty. Closet. Oops, dunay medyas. Mura. I mean, it's a simple house compared to my house in California. This one is more like a small cottage. This one is a small storage room or walk-in closet. Unya. Muna. Ikapoy lang kong panglimpyo, world, but it's finally finished. We're thinking of leaving this house in 2 hours maybe. I still have to take a shower. There's a neighbor's doggy. Hi, Killer! Hi, babies! Come on, Papa's here. Venus! Venus! Buddy! Buddy's here. Come on. Hi, babies! Okay. We're going back up. Just waiting for Chris. Maybe I'll have some rotisserie chicken and make some salad. And just sleeping, just waiting, chilling. He's old and he hasn't gained his weight back, so I don't know. I make him boiled egg in the morning. Sometimes I poach the egg for him so it's healthy. And yeah, rotisserie chicken for protein, said siya at night. So he is on his special diet. Mara world nya. When I get back kay kuan kanang manghawas na sad nga. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, put away the clothes, you know how it is. Moving. I'm gonna miss Buddy, my dear friend. So it's gonna be his last dinner here. I have cabbages and carrots for him ready, all chopped up. Okay, world. Mauna ang update sa life in Texas ni Pineapple Princess og Pineapple Prince. Aloha! Love you all. Bye-bye.